Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. When I heard Hobby Lobby had their fall stuff out already, I got super excited and decided to take you guys shopping with me to show you the new fall decor at Hobby Lobby. So these on sale are really good. I love these. Does anyone else love these little woodland creatures? I have them all over our house in the fall. They are the cutest. And these pumpkins are my favorite. I'm definitely going back and getting these. Ready for football season? Like September 1st cannot get here soon enough. Look at how cute. I love this. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. And if you guys want to see a sneak peek of what my fall decor is going with this year, this is it. I am in love with the black and white gingham.
Don't you like boxes?
These plates would be adorable on a plate stand, either on a shelf or in a curio cabinet. I'm definitely getting those as well. One of the things God did not bless me with was being able to make burlap banners. Mine look awful, so these will definitely be on my shopping list. Oh, and these are really cute. It doesn't really get cold enough in Georgia, but this is really cute. Oh, look at the baby football stuff. Oh my goodness. Like, I really just want to buy this for future Hebert house babies because, well, you know, I love a truck and I love this black and white gingham. Right, more of the black and white gingham. Look at this guy. God, why is he so cute? Look at him and the sign. Placemats, these baskets, these would be perfect. Oh my goodness, that's cute. I love this with the handle. They definitely have my number this year. Look how cute. This is a great deal on these tiered galvanized stands. If you've seen on Pinterest where people put things in them as a focal point of decoration, that's a really good price. I loved this verse sign. That would be perfect for fall if you have a place where you can switch out your wall decor. was over by the signs. I love this sign. Love that. And I love this. Always pray to have eyes that see the best in people, the heart that forgets the worst, and the mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never loses faith in God. That's awesome. I love that one. I like that one. I love all of these. Alright, so this may be my favorite sign they have this year. This is super cute. And you can actually use that as a door hanger if you want to put it like on your front door because it has the wire. That's really cute. They even had their Christmas stuff starting to come out, and I can't say enough about this white Christmas decor. Well guys, I'm so glad that you came shopping with me. I'm looking forward to fall and winter coming up and all of the decorations they have at Hobby Lobby. I can't wait to show you guys more of what I do with our house. Hope you have a great day. God bless.